Once, relatives of Sham will come to Sham's house. Then Sham tells his relatives, our dog is really bad. The relative asks Sham, why your dog is really bad? He tells, when any relatives come to our home, it will start chasing them and start biting them. That's why it is really, really difficult for us to invite any relatives to our home. So once a patient goes to the doctor and tells, doctor, when I open my mouth, I have pain in my eyes. So doctor will tell, okay, no problem, you remove your eyes, everything will be okay. Raju tells, see, it was really a bad idea to go to the doctor's marriage. Then his friend asks him, why, what happened? Then Raju tells, see, before entering the dining room, they make us take pill which make us lose the hunger in the tummy. Sham tells Ram, I was going through the book today, but when I reached the end of the book, I was completely frustrated and disappointed. Then his friend asks him, why, what happened, what is the reason? Then he will tell, I was going through my bank passbook and right, there's really difficulty in telling there's not much money there. Ram tells Sita, hey Sita, our relatives are coming home, why haven't you cleaned the house? Then Sita will tell, see, you had told you are always with me. So I thought you will help me clean the room and the house. Judge will tell Sham, see, you had a complaint that you are having 2 wives. But unfortunately, we are not getting any proper proof. That's why we are letting you go. Then he tells, where should I go? To first wife's house or second wife's house? Once husband tells, oh, I'm really hungry, I'm unable to withstand, I think you will take too much time to cook food, then I will go to hotel. Then the wife tells, oh, hold on, just wait for 5 minutes. Then the husband will tell, why? In 5 minutes you will cook food? Wife tells, no, in 5 minutes I will get ready and I will also come with you to have food outside. So, after removing 1 tooth from a patient, the doctor tells, give me 5 rupees. The patient tells, Arey doctor, you had told that to remove 1 tooth I should pay only 1 rupee. Then the doctor will tell, see, listening to your shouting, 5 people has left the clinic. That's why I am charging you 5 rupees. Teacher asks Raju, hey Raju, why? What happened? You did not come yesterday to school? Raju tells, sir, day before yesterday I saw you in doctor's clinic. I thought you have lost your health. That's why I thought I will not come to school yesterday. Raju will tell Ramu, hey, I am getting married. Please do come for my marriage. Then his friend tells, oh, of course I will come. In the time of difficulty, as we are friends, in the time of difficulty, we should help each other. Hey Radha, why you don't send your daughter to her husband's house after the marriage? She tells, oh, unfortunately, yaar, that guy doesn't know how to cook food. So 3 people have food in a restaurant and after that they start fighting with each other. I will pay a bill, I will pay a bill, I will pay a bill, like that. So finally what they do is they will go to a receptionist and tell, see, we 3 will run around the hotel and whoever comes last should pay the bill. The receptionist tells, okay. Then the moment the receptionist tells 1, 2, 3, all the 3 of them simply run away and they will never come back. Once somebody will come to the grocery shop and tell, "Sir, do you have any hand washing soap in your stores?" The owner tells, "Yes, we have." The vendor tells, "Sir, please wash your hand with that soap and give me 1 kg sugar." Teacher asks students, "Give me one good example for spear." One student will stand up and tell, "Your head, sir." Teacher asks, "Who is the best friend for farmer?" Student will tell, "Another farmer, sir." "Hey, what is the death rate in your country?" Ram tells, 100%. "What? How come 100%? He tells, "Everyone who is born at the end, he or she will die. That's why death rate is 100%. Teacher asks students, "What is the most interesting thing for you?" Student in chorus will tell, "Summer holidays, sir." When teacher is teaching in the class, one of the students will stand up and tell, "Sir, please reduce your tone." Teacher tells, "Why should I reduce my tone?" Student will tell, "Because I am sleeping, sir. Your tone is disturbing me." While going on the road, a woman will see a small boy begging. So the madam tells, "Dear kid, at such a small age, why are you begging?" Then the child tells, "Madam, if you like begging, you also can begging. What's the problem?" So once a patient will go to eye specialist and tell him, "I think I have some problem in my right eye." Then the doctor tells, "Can you see the sun in the sky?" Patient tells, "Yes sir, I can see." Then the doctor will tell, "Arey yaar, if you can see sun which is so far, what is the problem in your eye?" Please like, subscribe, share, comment below. I want to know what kind of jokes you like. Please do share. Thank you. Of course, hit the bell notification.